How to solve Bluestacks crashing on Windows. So if you are facing this problem, here's a step-by-step procedure. Tap the start icon and search for uninstall program, and once you are in it, go ahead and give it a tap. Then a list of installed app will install, so at the side of Bluestack, tap on three dot and uninstall the program. Then once the program is uninstalled, head to your browser and search for download Bluestack, and make sure to download the latest version or the version that is supported by your PC. Once you do that, again tap on the start icon and search for device manager. Here we will be updating our graphic drivers. So at the top you will see display adapters right here. Make sure to extend it. Then right click on the driver and tap on update driver. Here you will find two options for search automatic, and if it says it is a best driver, cross it and again right click on it and tap on update driver. Tap on browse my computer and select let me pick from list. Here you can select any and just tap on the next and continue with the process, and this will also help from your Bluestack crashing. Now the third and the final step is to turn off our antivirus. So for that, go ahead and search for Windows Security here. Tap on Virus and Threat Protection option, and currently it is showing that I have no current threats, but you will find the option of real-time protection right there. So simply have to toggle it off and your antivirus will be toggled off, and just like that your crashing problem will be solved. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.